when we are in these volatile times, do you think it's still okay to go ahead with your mutual fund investments? I'm talking about if you're initially, making your first investments, not of course the SIP or anything of that sort, then how do you sort of decide whether it's still a good time to enter? Because yes, while mutual fund investments can be, a longer term thing, of course, the rate at which you get in also matters, right?
So Pavitra, look, I think there's a very, very famous way in the market to put it. And they say the right day of investing was yesterday, and today is perhaps the second best day, right? So that goes true for every investor, whether you are a first time investor or whether you're just wanting to make a repeat purchase. But especially for first time investors, one has to realize that this volatility which you are seeing, the ups and downs which you are observing every day, is part and parcel of market, and that's what makes the market, right? Market is not a uniform linear line that once you get in, you'll always see stairs upwards. Market is more like a wavy curve, and one has to ride through the entire thing. So to that question, very specifically, the right time is today. And one should never look at the levels at which he's getting into. One should just look at the broader picture and the larger outlook for 5 years, 10 years, 20 years hence, and then imagine and position yourself out in the future and see where could the markets potentially be, and that's how you look at investing. So please start ahead, all those who are waiting in the queue.